Chirk Court is a residential care home for people living with dementia in the main. So we're based on a household design where no more than 14 people live in a household environment, very much like an extended family with dedicated, purposeful staff. So it's around living life to the best at all points in a person's progression through their life with dementia.
My mum's been here probably just coming up to 12 months, and before that my dad actually lived here in this household. It's made a real difference to me especially. She's safe, she's well looked after, she looks so well, she's got a lovely room and the food is absolutely excellent.
Annie is my mother. She's 93 years old. I used to dread the phone ringing, but when she came here it was a big relief because I knew the care that she gets 24/7 is second to none. This is her home as far as she's concerned, and they're also there for my well-being as well as my mum's.
The ability to live in a care home enables people to live with peers, people of a similar age, but in addition it gives the relationship back, so a son can become a son again and a daughter can become a daughter again.
I've worked here for 3.5 years, and from day one I've always said that I would have my own parents come here. Chirk Court's got a really good team, carers, activity, housekeepers, we all work together.
It makes them feel at home in their own environment, with all the staff obviously being happy, being able to communicate. We do look at them like they're our own family. We treat them how we'd want our family members to be treated.
And nothing's too much trouble for anybody. You can talk to anybody anytime. And the other thing as well is if people are Welsh speaking, there's Welsh speakers here as well. It's just a good place to be, and you'll feel it as you walk through the door. You'll feel the good vibes, if you like.
Come and have a look and see for yourselves just how wonderful it is here.
Well, I think the culture is very much the culture of Clwyd Alun, and it's trust, hope and kindness. And if people can come into your home and they can feel as though they're wrapped in that blanket of kindness, that they can entrust the care of a very loved person to us, and for them to be able to leave here and feel as though they've made the right decision in putting somebody into a care home.